Hi, it's Gina from WTI. I found the perfect magnesium powder from Thorne. Now, I was kind of skeptical to try this because I've tried other magnesium supplements in the past for hormonal headaches that I get, cramping, and getting antsy legs at night. And I never noticed any kind of difference from what I was using. But since I started using this, those problems that I've had have gone away. Now, I'm not a healthcare professional, and everyone reacts differently to different supplements, but I can say from my experience that has been a total life changer for me. I love that it comes in powdered form because that means I don't have to take another pill, and it's effervescent, and so it actually is more bioavailable and easier for your body to assimilate. It's a little bit tart. I mix mine with water, and honestly, the sourness doesn't bother me at all, but you can mix it with a different liquid if it's a little bit too sour for you. I'm so glad that I found this supplement because it has made a huge difference in my functioning and quality of life. I'm definitely not going to stop taking it. I recommend it, but that's just my point of view.